Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Azizaini Zhaharah. I'm from UNIMED Accounting B 2023 and here I will present an individual assignment for English Business course on the topic of annual reports at PT Bank Syariah Indonesia (TBK). Let's just start the presentation which begins with an introduction about Indonesian Syariah banking. Bank Syariah Indonesia, or abbreviated as BSI, is a bank in Indonesia engaged in Islamic banking. This bank was inaugurated on February 1, 2021, or to coincide with the 19th Jumadil and 1042 Hijriah by the Indonesian government. Islamic banks were established with the aim of creating benefits Muslims. Then, in practice, Sharia banks must not conflict with teachings or guidelines Sharia religion itself. One of the main deviations that found in conventional banks is an interest system. This system, contrary to the principles of Islamic teachings, based on according to the scholars, this interest system in Islamic banking is necessary to it. Abolition of the bank interest system means carrying out Islamization of banking. Product. The product of Bank Syariah Indonesia is number one, Syariah savings. Savings are deposits whose withdrawals are subject to several provisions that have been explained by the bank to customers. The withdrawal method can be done using a savings book, ATM, withdrawal slip, or internet banking. Number two, Sharia deposits. Sharia deposits are saving with a profit-sharing system or nisbah between the customer and the bank. Number three, Sharia mortgage. In practice, the collateral will be sold to cover the debt when the mortgage is confirmed. Number four, Sharia current account. Sharia current accounts are savings from which withdrawals can be made at any time using a check, demand deposits, other means of payment orders, or food transfers. And the last is Sharia financing. Sharia financing can be used through one BSI Working Capital Partners and BSI Special Hedge Travel Bailout and others. And next, financial statements. Let's see. We can see here this is an annual report. The first is a financial positions report. And the second is the income statement. And the third is a report on change in owner's equity. And the last one is cash flow. Next is competitor. PT Bank Tabungan Negara or State Savings Bank Persero (TBK) or better known as Bank BTN is a state-owned enterprise or BUMN that provides service in the banking sector. This bank has a strong commitment to supporting and providing financing service for the housing sector through three main products, namely personal, business, and Sharia banking. In order for the national banking industry to be healthy, Indonesian Syariah Bank or PSI must have 3 to 4 competitors. Because of that, Financial Service Authority or OJK does not allow UUS BTN to be acquired by BSI and preferred to spin off USBTM to become a Sharia business entity or BUS, so that it can then become a competitor of BSI. Strength. BSI's strengths include a strong market position, extensive network, diversified product portfolio, and ability to weather economic risks. Sharia financial institutions are more crisis-resistant than conventional finance. The bank has a large customer base and is well-positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for Islamic financial products and services. And the next is weakness. VSI's weakness include its relatively high cost structure, limited digital capabilities, and dependence on third-party funding. The bank needs to address these issues to improve its profitability and competitiveness in the market. Next is opportunity. VSI has significant opportunity to expand its business, including the growing demand for Sharia-compliant financial products and services, the government support for the Sharia banking sector, and the increasing adoption of digital banking channels. And the last is trends. The trends of Bank Sharia Indonesia are increasingly first competition from conventional banks that are starting to offer Sharia products as well as constantly changing regulation in the banking industry. This can be a threat in the annual product competition. Conclusion: In conclusion, BSI is a leading player in the Syariah banking sector in Indonesia. The bank has several strengths that it can leverage to capitalize on the growing demand for Sharia-compliant financial products and services. However, it also faces several challenges that it needs to address to remain competitive in the market. That's all my presentation about the annual report. I'm sorry if any mistake. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.